Hey everyone, welcome back to Cars Fuse. You're in the right place if you're a Ford F-250, F-350, F-450 and F-550 owner or a DIY enthusiast. In today's video, we're diving into the Fusebox diagram for the Ford F-250, F-350, F-450 and F-550 models from 2000 and 2001. This guide will help you locate, identify, and troubleshoot any electrical issues you might face with your car. And that's it for today's guide on the Ford F-250, F-350, F-450 and F-550 2000 to 2001 Fusebox diagram. Hopefully, this video helped you understand the fuse locations, what each fuse controls, and how to troubleshoot common electrical issues. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more Ford DIYs and car maintenance tips. Have any questions, or have you encountered any fuse-related issues in your Ford F-250, F-350, F-450 and F-550? Drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.